video. Today we will be showing you how to make cereal milk slime. So cereal milk slime is basically just a really glossy slime, and it's really white.
Yeah, it's really white.
And it's really cool. So yeah, I just want to get into that video real quick, and yeah, so let's get started. So the first ingredient you need is glue. Any PVA glue will work. I'm just using Glue All because Elmer's glue. And then you need mixing utensils or a bowl or container, whatever you guys want. And then you need some styling cream, which is shaving cream, but I'm using shaving gel because I think, well, shaving gel kind of is better for cereal milk because it's not really really fluffy, and you can't really control how much you do of the shaving cream. So yeah. And then you need lotion, like a little watery lotion. You don't want it to be too, okay.
And then this is the main.
And this is without baby oil because I know that cereal milk needs baby oil.
We don't have baby oil,
so yeah.
Hand sanitizer.
Any hand sanitizer will work.
Yeah.
We're using this clear one.
Body wash.
And that's just kind of like keep it a little clear.
And I don't know if this
you don't have to have
this. This is mint scent
from Israel.
Is
Israel.
Yeah. No, it's from China. Oh, wait, no, it's not from Israel.
So we're just using the mint scent.
And also, I have some
activator. We're just using borax water. You can add, whatever you want with the activator. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your plate, and I'll just do the glue. You can add clear glue, but I don't think it will work as well with cereal milk.
Okay.
No, because I know how much you add.
It doesn't say one.
Yeah, it's almost done. This glue is almost done, so I
I
just don't want
than
any.
you.
It's okay. We're gonna mix it together. Right? So
Can I just have
a gel? Okay. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shaving cream. You can have the shaving cream, or
what are you doing?
I put it on my leg by accident.
Get on the floor.
Oopsies.
Don't mix it in. What the?
I'm trying to get it off.
Ew,
Okay, and you're gonna add like 3 or 4 pumps.
How much did you add?
And then you're just gonna mix.
It's not working. It's all for breaking it.
Make sure everything is white. And this is clear, but the sign makes it green.
This is not working.
And the body wash doesn't really make a difference.
You know what?
And then you can probably see it kind of already clumping up because the glue is kind of weird. It's really weird. But yeah. You can just pour it.
Oh yeah.
There's barely any in there. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
I need
Just gonna mix. And guys, this is still white, as you can see. So you just need it to get white. The shaving cream is white, so yeah.
It'll work either.
It will work either way, but yeah. So while she's mixing that, the next thing you have to add is body wash. You don't have to add body wash at all, but if you want, you have to add 3 squirts of it. And you guys can, you can make it and this is also to smell a little more better. Okay, and as as you can see, it's still white,
Good.
which is good. You just want everything
Oh, it smells so good now.
to be white.
All of this.
Again, while she's mixing that, she's gonna add hand sanitizer, and you need like a lot of it, like as you can see, like that much of it. If you're making the amount that we're making, and you guys can also add water if you want, but I'm not going to. And it's still white. You just want it to be white the whole time.
Okay, should we add this?
So no, we have to add.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So next, you're gonna add the lotion.
It's so strong. Okay, that's good.
And I'll add this because.
Okay.
Okay, and you're gonna add a little bit of lotion, because you're gonna add lotion later too. So, and as you can see, it's still white.
Okay.
Next, you're gonna add the scent. You don't have to have a scent at all, but I'll tell you this scent is so strong. This scent is so strong, guys. So, I wanted it
It's
to.
all oily. You do it.
I wanted it to kind of be a mint scent because, you know, I just wanted it to. You do not want to add a lot of this if you have this.
I want 3 drops.
Yeah, that's all you can get because it's so strong. Okay, I told you.
Close it. Okay, here we go.
And it's still white. And now you're going to add activator, and you want to make sure that you don't add a lot. That's it. Between. Okay, and you guys can add activator.
It's clumping out.
Did I even add any? Okay. And then you should see it kind of clumping up.
Can I have some? Oh.
You want to keep mixing because if you add too much activator, then you're gonna like get a really bad slime. And it's not gonna be stretchy or anything like that. Okay, that's probably all the activator that I'm gonna add at least. Yeah, that's all the activator I'm gonna add. No, it's actually not. Why are you eating it with your hands? It's so... You guys should actually like really add water to this because if you don't, it's kind of gonna not get stretchy. So
I need to activate.
can you please? And borax in water is a really strong activator. So I just want to say that because if you do use it, you do not want to add too much of it. So I do recommend using like a clear Tide for this. You don't have to add it.
I don't even think that there's a clear Tide. Did you stretch?
Yeah. Now as you can see, just want to keep kneading it, and kind of became slime. Kinda. I mean, it became slime. So now, when you have your slime ready and not that sticky
That
anymore,
really smells.
oh, it was so good. Okay. Wasn't that enough of the scent? So strong. I'm gonna add more hand sanitizer.
So you can have some.
And I'm gonna add more lotion after I add more hand sanitizer.
Lotion.
And hand sanitizer also makes it like stretchier.
Really?
Ow, it kind of burns my cut. It burned my cut.
Cause it's freaking hand sanitizer.
I make my cereal mix like this, but you guys can make them differently. Okay, now when I added that, add some lotion.
I want some.
Okay. lotion for if you add if you make it.
It's stretchy now. Well,
And I want to add a lot of lotion because I want it to be like more cereal milky and more and don't worry, it will be kind of like disgusting, but then it won't get like super stretchy and stuff.
oh, it's so stretchy now.
You add it.
Thumbnail Camila,
I'm
hello.
not done yet with my slime though. You just want to keep adding lotion because I know that it won't be that stretchy.
Can I have some lotion?
And you need a lot of lotion for slime. You need a lot of lotion for slime, guys. So you have to be generous with your lotion.
Yeah.
So you have to probably buy like one of these for yourself. So because it's so needed. And this lotion kind of makes it and look how, oh my god, and it's so smooth. Kind of looks like an egg, but it's not.
Egg. Can I have one more pump of lotion?
One more pump.
Yeah, one more pump.
It's completely white, guys.
Can I please have one more pump of lotion?
You get it.
But it's right next to it.
It's super clicky, guys, actually.
Stop.
I don't like when I say clicky either.
Okay, no more. No more.
I'm gonna add more hand sanitizer. You guys can add a lot of hand sanitizer, and
It's so good. You're gonna have some of yours. I only have a little bit.
no. Oh, it's my glue.
I gave you a whole lot.
So because I did something for you. Don't smell. Oh my god, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna add more hand sanitizer because I want it more like baby oily. You guys probably, oh my god, I love poking slime with like activators.
Can I have? I think this is one of the best white slimes.
Yeah, we actually never made this good of a cereal milk. You guys can make cereal milk with like just like glue and activator, but it won't be as good. So soft. This is how to make your slime soft. Hand sanitizer.
And lotion, obviously.
This is kind of looks like this slime, right?
You better post this.
The hand sanitizer makes it so good.
The lotion makes it even better. Camila.
Want to feel mine?
Yeah.
Oh shit. They kind of feel the same.
Yours is less stretchy than mine.
Really, I feel like mine is stretchier. Okay, sorry guys about that. But I'm gonna end this video now because I can't pass a video that's 15 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below if you made this and tag me on Instagram with your picture. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye!